What's up guys, you're watching the Studio, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-118415-0. Your subscription may need to be verified. So sometime you're having a problem for your subscription, they need to verify. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Here we go to the settings here, and then go to the user and accounts. Just wait. User and account, here you have a subscription and the payment and the subscription. Just tap on it. Here you get the all payment methods in the subscription. Here you just check the purchase settings. Sometime you're having a problem with the purchase settings, you just turn it off, and here is a subscription. There is no subscription, you just get here your subscription, and you must check your payment option. Sometime your payment option is expired, that's why you're just not going to renew your PS Plus subscription. That's why you're getting the verify options, and sometimes that's how you can just fix this kind of error, subscription error. So if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.